Hello, this is Gypsy Hawk in the garden, and I'm here today to talk to you about the featured plant of the week, which is the SwampMallowRose, or Hibiscus moscheutos. This plant is a native North American plant. Has plant hardiness zones from zones 4 to 10. It needs well-drained soil and requires regular watering. It gets thirsty and it likes a lot of water and grows quickly. I'm going to flip this around to show you what I have growing now. These plants I have two groups of plants, there's several plants, but there's two groups of them. I have one group over there, and my roses in between, and one group over here. There's many plants in each group. I've had these plants over 20 years. I got them from a neighbor years ago and grow them every year, cut them back in the fall, and they grow from the ground up every spring. This is only a couple weeks worth of growth. As I mentioned, once they get watered, they grow rather rapidly. They have beautiful flowers starting in July through the whole month of July into the beginning of August. Huge pink blossoms with dark centers. They do have a bit of hybridization where they have other flowers that are all light pink with no dark center and a white version with a dark center. I'm going to walk over to the other side with the other group that I have. They are really, really pretty, and I enjoy seeing them every year when they grow. I harvest seeds from these every year, and those are the seeds that I offer on my Etsy page. I'm going to walk over and give you a quick look at these actual plants here and how they bloomed last year. The pictures that I have shared previously of them are my plants, the ones that you just looked at, and they were just from last summer. So I'm going to flip this around again. And those are the plants that you just looked at that I had on my phone. And these were the blooms from last year. The one on the right has a lot of the hybrid versions with the no dark center and the white ones. This is how they look with the dark center. And here's a better picture of one with the white with the dark center. And also these are the seeds that I harvest. They have large seed pods that are generated. The blossoms have dried up, and as mentioned, I harvest them every year. So these are what I offer on my page, the actual seeds from them. So if you have any questions or if you're interested in them, please reach out and get in touch with me. I'd be happy to hear from you on it. They are beautiful plants. I enjoy them so much every year, and I can't talk enough about them. I love them. So Hibiscus, SwampMallowRose, that's the featured plant of the week. If you have any questions, need any information on it, please let me know. And please visit my Gypsy Hawk profile page on Facebook, my Gypsy Hawk garden page on Facebook, and my YouTube page where this will be posted, this video. So this is Gypsy Hawk saying hello again, and I hope you have a great week. Bye.